Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome to another episode of the Tuesday tutorial. On this week, we're gonna go a little bit more in depth on Canva. So in our last Tuesday tutorial, last year in 2018, I introduced you guys to Canva. And Canva is an online service, as you saw in that video, where you can really simplify some of the things you want to do with graphic design, and also making different sizing and different specifications for doing Facebook posts or Instagram posts. A lot of things social media wise is really going to help you, and you can do some other very cool stuff with it. So we're going to jump into Canva right now, and I'm going to walk you through how to do some of the stuff on here. So we've gone to canva.com up here, and it has a sign in here. So you do have to sign up. There is a paid version of Canva and there's a free version of Canva. Right now, I'm going to show you guys the free version of Canva that is very powerful still. It's still very powerful. So when you log in, you can create a login. I've done my login through Facebook, just making things a little bit simpler. You guys can do things a little bit differently, whatever way you want to sign up with your emails. But you don't have to give any visa information. You don't have to sign up in any terms that way. So don't be any fears that way. So as you can see, you come in here and it's to get to a landing page, and this is kind of like the main page of Canva. It's going to show you some different things. This is some stuff I've been playing with, some different designs, some stuff I've uploaded. Over here, up here is a really great section. So it's, what would you like to design? And you can just type in here what you want to do. I'm not going to go into a ton of details. I'm going to show you some of the tools that work across the board on Canva. So whether you're making a Facebook post or you're making an Instagram post, all these tools that you're going to be using within it all work the same. Let's do an Instagram post. It's going to be the first ones that comes up. So what this does, it comes up with all these templates on the side here. If I go through here, and a lot of times I like to start with maybe a template and use that as a base to start with. Doesn't mean I need to do everything exactly what's in the thing. Doesn't mean I need to make one about Halloween. Maybe I just like the layout and the way it looks. You can go through these ones and see different things. Maybe I want to do an Instagram post that has a quote about something, okay? So let's start with this one. We're going to start doing some work in here, and I'm going to show you how some of the different tools work within Canva. So as you can see here, you can click on different elements within here. You can click on things here. If you get your pointer to move like this, you can move stuff around. I can move the text around here. I can hit delete. I can make that delete that. I can delete this piece. I like this quote here, but I also like who that quote is from. So what I'm going to show you then is I'm going to go here and to go to uploads. And uploads is a really cool place. This is where you can add in your own images. You can add all this stuff and it actually saves it. So when you go back to log in, it's going to have that stuff in here. So what we would do, let's go over to here to upload. If I went into here, see here, there's different ones I've already uploaded, but this is from Scenic Caves, and this is from another one from Scenic Caves. This is a bridge at Scenic Caves. I'm going to drag it here. It uploads it very quickly. Okay, and then simply we're going to drag this image on here. Okay, so it's going to size here a little bit funny. All we need to do is take it and stretch it, move it around. Now, there's an issue here. What's the issue? Well, we can't see our font and all that stuff here. So what we need to do here is go position, and I can go move to the back or backwards. I'm going to go move to the back. That moved it right to the back, meaning that other stuff now is on top of it. Awesome. Okay, so I can go in here now, and I can say, change this text here to whatever I want to say. And we're going to change that quote here. That quote's from me. This is an easy way just to move stuff around and to create some kind of cool looking designs here. You could have a different message here. Hey, come try out our snowshoeing. Nice different things. It's a way, again, to move really fast and have a design that can help you do that. Now I can go change my sizing of this. You can go in here. You can type in a different sizing. You can also change the color of your text. Maybe I want this white. You can change you can change the actual sizing of the text if you want it, all capitalized, the spacing, how it's laid out. Now this size here is where you're going to change your fonts. So you're going to have all these fonts included in here. It's awesome. Okay, so we're going to go back. Now on the photo itself here, you can adjust a different parameters on this photo, which is great. You can brighten it up. I can add some more contrast in here. I can add some more saturation or take away saturation if I wanted to make it black and white. All these great little tools you can do within here. Very simple again. You also have your filters here. So in the filters, you have all these kind of cool different things that you would see on Instagram. So I can change different stuff on here for a different look. All I need to do now is go hit this download tab, okay? Okay, what I'm gonna do for a lot of this stuff, I'm gonna download it as a JPEG. Okay, it's gonna download it, it's gonna go into my downloads in my computer. Everybody's time is valuable, so things that can really speed up your workflow and speed up the way you're doing things are extremely valuable. So for me, Canva, I think, is an amazing tool. And in next week's video, I'm gonna show you the different things you can do within the paid version of Canva. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. If there's something you'd like to see specifically how to make with Canva you think that might help your business, please let me know in the comments and we will get back to you guys and go in more in depth in that. We'll see you next week on the next Tuesday tutorial.